Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing the latest iPhone. That's right, the iPhone 15. Now I am super excited about this because I got the iPhone 15 in pink. So in this video, I'll be talking a lot less and doing unboxing a lot more. All right, hold on. I had to say this. Now tell me why the back of this box is dusty like this. Where were they swiping this box back and forth? But anyway, it's time for the big reveal. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am super excited about this pink color. It is gorgeous with that matte metallic feel and the glossy, shiny Apple logo. And the buttons, metallic as well. I am in love. Just to let you guys know, I am updating from an iPhone 11 to the 15. So for me, this is huge. So this is the new charging cable, USB-C. So this will be pretty good, I'm hoping. And I just think that the white cord is going to get dirty super easily. So yeah, that's just something I'm thinking about. I wish kind of that it was a pink cord. Like, why is it white? I just want everything to match my pink iPhone at this point. And of course you have your Apple sticker and some other things to know about your iPhone, blah, blah, blah. We don't really look at that. So while I'm setting up my iPhone, I want to show you guys the cute cases that I purchased. So the first case I'm going to show you is a glittery clear iPhone case, which is perfect for any of the colors of the iPhone 15. This case in particular comes with a camera protector and also 2 screen protectors that are glass. I love how the glitter really makes that pink color pop even more, and it actually looks a little bit lighter when you put it on. So it's like a little bit darker at the top where you see the camera, and then a little bit of a light pink. So I kind of like those differences in the pink color, and also you can really see that Apple logo shine. Now, since I knew I was going to get my iPhone today, I went ahead and purchased the cases beforehand, and they came literally like 2 days before. So I knew that I would immediately be putting on all this protection on my phone to keep it safe from any scratches or falls, tumbles, dents, cracks, all that stuff. So I bought it, and now I'm going to just right now install the screen protector really quick. Now for me, I usually eyeball it when I'm installing my iPhone screen protector. Don't do like me. I don't know. I just know how to make it perfectly in the middle by just eyeballing it. And I love this screen protector. It literally takes off all the bubbles for itself. Look at that. Amazing. I love it. I highly, highly recommend this case bundle. It came with a case, a camera protector, and 2 screen protectors. Now I already installed the camera protector. As you can see, I kept scratching it across my desk. I'm sorry if that noise is bothering you, but don't worry, my camera is safe, everything's good. I just decided to put it on off camera while I was trying to set up. Okay, so let's move on to the second case that I got. This is a rugged case. So this did not come with a screen protector, but it did come with 2 camera protectors. So if you're somebody who's really, really rough on your cell phones, this is really amazing for you because it comes with like 2 sides to it, one to protect the back and one to protect the front. So you can see that it has its own screen protector already included. So let's quickly test it out. As you know, I've just installed my screen protector and also my camera protector. So I want to see if all of that can still work underneath this rugged case and see if I can still touch everything and swipe and all that. So let's test it out. So yes, you actually can swipe and do everything with this case on. It's very seamless and very comfortable to do. And on the back of the case, as you can see, it's very protected. Your phone will be safe from scratches, dents, bumps, anything. And with that added camera protector, you're safe too with your camera being, shattered or whatever. So yes, I didn't get to show you a great angle of me swiping around the phone, but yes, it does. I can confirm that you can. So for now, I'm going to be using the glitter case, and I'm going to see if I can add some stickers and some really cute little designs on the back so that it peeks through the little clear window. But yes, you guys, this is the iPhone 15 in pink, and I am in love with it. I'm going to go play around with it, and I will see you in the next video. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make new videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.